In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Airbnb guidebook. A great guidebook helps guests feel confident, saves you time answering repeat questions, and elevates the overall experience. We'll walk through where to find the guidebook tool in your hosting account and exactly what to include so it's clear, helpful, and easy to use. Start by logging into your Airbnb account and switching to hosting mode. From your host dashboard, open the section labeled Listings. Then choose the property you want to enhance. Inside that property's settings, look for the guidebook area. If you see the option to create a guidebook, go ahead and click Create Guidebook. If you don't see it, the feature may not be available in your region yet, so keep an eye out as it rolls out. Now it's time to add recommendations. Think about the essentials and the local gems that make a stay memorable. Include a balanced mix of restaurants, coffee shops, grocery stores, and popular attractions your guests are likely to ask about. Add practical items too, like transportation information and key emergency contacts. For each entry, fill in a short description that sets expectations, a quick note on why you recommend it, and the distance from your property. When writing the short description, keep it concise and useful. Mention the vibe, price range, or a standout dish for food spots. Your reason should be personal but focused on guest value, like reliable service or great options for families. For distance, choose a clear format, minutes on foot or by car, or a simple mileage estimate, and stay consistent throughout your guidebook. For transportation, prioritize the details guests need most, the nearest transit stops, the simplest route to downtown or major attractions, and any helpful pickup or parking guidance. Keep it brief and specific enough to reduce confusion. For emergency contacts, include the essential local numbers and the nearest medical facility, along with a simple note on when to use them. Don't add personal details, just the official resources guests may need in a pinch. As you build your list, aim for clarity and reliability over volume. A tightly curated guidebook is easier to navigate, and it's more trustworthy when everything has been recently verified. Once you're happy with the content, select Save and Publish. Your guests will be able to access the guidebook directly from their booking page, so they can plan ahead and reference it during their stay. Revisit your guidebook periodically to update hours, remove closed venues, and keep recommendations fresh. A well-maintained guidebook reflects thoughtful hosting and leads to smoother stays and better reviews.